Good morning, students. Hello, students. So today I am going to deal with the next part of the trigonometry. That is, next result is multiple and submultiple angle. In previous result, as you know that they were compound angles, whereas here multiple and submultiple angle. Very simple result. Now define multiple angle. Multiple, as you know that multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like that. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 like that, isn't it? Now here define multiple angle. Angles are multiply ಮಾಡೋದು. ಹಾಗೆ look here. If A is any angle or theta is any angle or alpha is any angle. If you take any one alpha, if A is any angle, then multiply by any number. Say 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, and so on. Those angles are called multiple angle. ಒಂದು angle ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is known as multiple angle. Okay. Whereas define submultiple angle. ಆ angle ಅನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ if A is any angle, then A divided by 2, 3A divided by 2, 5A divided by 2, 7A divided by 2, and so on. Those angles are called submultiple angle. One angle ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ divide ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ again it is angle. It is not main angle, part of the angle, that is submultiple angle. In your question paper, main question number 1, there are some sub questions. How questions है, but main question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ questions okay ಇದು ನಾವು sub questions. Like that, main angle ಅನ್ನ divide ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that is also angle, but it is not main angle, it is part of the angle, that is known as submultiple angle. Okay, angle ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು divide ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ again it is angle, but it is not main angle, that is known as submultiple angle. ಒಂದು angle ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is known as multiple angle. So remember definition: if A is any angle, then 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, and so on. These angles are called multiple angles. Whereas if A is any angle, divide it, A divided by 2, 3A divided by 2, 5A by 2, 7A by 2, and so on. Those angles are called submultiple angles. Suppose if you take 2A is multiple angle. What is submultiple angle? Is 2 in the divide by 2A divided by 2, 2 cancel. That is A is submultiple. Here 3A is multiple angle. What submultiple angle? Divided by 2. 3A divided by 2 is submultiple angle. If 4A is multiple angle, what is submultiple angle? If 2 is divided by 4A divided by 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are. 2A is submultiple angle. If 5A is multiple angle, is submultiple angle convert ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Divide by 2, 5A by 2 is submultiple angle. So remember, if A is an angle, then 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, and so on. Those angles are called multiple angles. Whereas if A is any angle, then cut it, A by 2, 3A by 2, 5A by 2, and so on. Those angles are called submultiple angle. So next result, most important result, some important formula. Now remember those important formula. What is that? Functions of multiple angle. Functions of multiple angle 2A. 2A by taking multiple angle. 2A ನಾವು multiple angle ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ submultiple angle ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? A ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದು divide by 2 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ A ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. A is submultiple angle. Angle ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Not whole term by 2. Only divide by angle. Angle ಗೆ divide by some number. That is submultiple angle. Now functions of multiple angle 2A. It means to find trigonometric ratios of multiple angle 2A. That is to find what is the formula for sine of 2A. What is the formula for cos of 2A? What is the formula for tan of 2A? At least remember first three. Sine, cos, tan. Remaining these are reciprocals. Okay. Now to find one by one. Now how to solve? We know that WKT means we know that by using compound angle formula, sin of A plus B, instead of x and y, we are finding A and B. What is the formula? Sin of A plus B is equal to what? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Correct? Huh? Call it as equation 1. Very simple result. Then what about cos of A plus B formula? Instead of x and y, by taking A and B. Cos of A plus B, remember what is that? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Correct? Huh? Equation. Similarly, to find the tan of A plus B, what is the formula for tan of A plus B? Compound angle. These are all compound angles. Instead of x and y, here A and B. Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan. Right? Call that equation. Now to find functions of multiple angle 2a means to find sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a. How to solve? Now here only angle A, not B angle. So that by substituting B is equal to A in equation 1, in equation 2, in equation 3. Take one by one equation. Now first equation, sin of A plus B is equal to A. Correct? Is equal to B इधर ये substitute करता होगी sin A cos B value again A, right? Plus cos A B value again A. Because by taking B is equal to A. Simplify. Therefore, sin of A plus A 2A is equal to 1 sin A cos A plus 1 sin A cos A. Two terms same है ना? 1 sin A cos A plus 1 sin A cos A. How many times? 2 sin A into cos A. Remember, sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A into cos A, or 2 sin A into cos A is equal to sin 2A. Instead of A, sin 2 theta तಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ A ಬಗ್ಗೆ theta ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Alpha ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ sin 2 alpha is equal to, remember, 2 sin alpha into cos alpha. This is functions of multiple angle sin 2A. Okay. Now put B is equal to A in equation number 2. Equation 2 ದ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. In equation 2, cos of A plus B value is correct, because by taking B is equal to A is equal to cos A cos B value is minus sin A sin B value is, right? Therefore, cos of A plus A 2A is equal to cos A into cos A into cos A into cos A cos A minus sin A into sin A sin square A. Remember, cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A, or cos square A minus sin square A is equal to 2A. ನೋಡಿ, cos square A plus sin square A ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ cos square A minus sin square A ಇದ್ದಾಗ cos 2A ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. If it is plus sign, its value is 1. If it is minus sign, its value is cos 2A. Again further, cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Again reduce it. How to reduce? Now one more formula. Cos 2A is equal to, reduce cos square A, convert cos square A in terms of sin. Sin convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. How to convert it? By using trigonometric identity. What is the formula? Cos square A plus sin square A is equal to what? 1. Using this to find cos square A, ಇದರಿಂದ cos square A is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1. That term goes to right side, minus sin square A, correct? So that cos square A can be written as 1 minus sin square A minus second term right as it is. Only reduce one term. So cos square A not reduce ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 minus sin square A. This is as it is. So that cos 2A is equal to 1 minus sin square A minus sin square A minus 2 times sin square A. ನೋಡಿ, one more formula for cos 2A. Cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. ಹೌದು. Or one more formula, 1 minus 2 sin square A. Cos square A reduce ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ cos square ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ one more formula cos 2a is equal to first term right as it is cos square minus ಇದನ್ನ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1 using this sin square a is equal to what sin square a is equal to 1 that term goes to right side minus cos square a so that sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a correct therefore cos 2a is equal to cos square a remove the bracket minus 1 minus into minus plus cos square therefore cos 2a is equal to 1 cos square a plus 1 cos square a totally 2 times cos square a minus 1 so cos 2a three formula namely cos square a minus sin square a or 1 minus 2 sin square a or 2 cos square a minus 1 similarly put b is equal to equation number 3 equation 3 ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ tan of a plus b value a is equal to tan a plus tan b value a divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b value a therefore tan of a plus a 2a is equal to 1 tan a plus 1 tan a 2 times tan a divided by 1 minus tan a into tan a tan square a this is tan 2a formula so remember tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a these are functions of multiple angle whereas functions of submultiple angle functions of submultiple angle ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ 2a ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಇದು ಸಬ್ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಈ 2a ಆಂಗಲ್ 2 ದಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸಬ್ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಗೆ 2 ದಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ sin 2a multiple angle what is submultiple angle ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ದಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2a divided by 2 2 cancel ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ a is equal to 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2 ನೋಡಿ 2a is multiple angle ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಯಾವುದು a ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇದು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬೈ 2 ಆಂಗಲ್ ಯಾವುದು a ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಆಂಗಲ್ ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ ಸಬ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ 2a ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ದಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ that is angle A. A is submultiple. Angle we must divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ now not whole divided by 2. Remember whole divided by 2 ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ whole divided by 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ no only divide angle by 2 angle ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು A is multiple angle ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೌದಾ A is multiple angle ಇದೆ submultiple angle ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ A by 2 here A by 2 what is the formula sin A is equal to 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2 ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಿರೋನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ cos 2a ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸಬ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಗೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2 only divide angle by 2 one more formula cos 2a is multiple angle submultiple angle a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2 only angle ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ don't write 1 minus 2 sin square a whole divided by 2 no Okay, only angle in ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಬ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. One more formula, cos 2a multiple angle, sub multiple angle a is equal to 2 cos square angle divide ಮಾಡಿ a by 2 minus 1 not whole divided by 2. Remember, only divide angle by 2, right? And last one, tan 2a is multiple angle, sub multiple angle divided by 2, that is 8, is equal to not whole divided by 2, only divide angle by 2. 2 tan angle ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ divide ಮಾಡಿ a by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square a by 2. These are the functions of sub multiple angle. Those are functions of multiple angle. You ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. Remember those important formula. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a into cos a. Instead of a, theta ಕೂಡ same formula. What is sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta into cos theta. What is sin 2 alpha? 2 sin alpha into cos alpha. Isn't it? Cos part is also 2. 2 sin a into cos a is equal to sin 2a. Similarly, cos 2a is equal to, what is the formula? Cos square a minus sin square a, or 1 minus 2 sin square a, or 2 cos square a minus 1. Whereas tan 2a is equal to, remember, 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. These are the functions of multiple angle. Whereas functions of sub multiple angle, angle in ಮಾತ್ರ divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, not whole divided by 2. Remember, now here 2a is multiple angle, sub multiple angle ಆದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ 2a angle ಗೆ 2 ದಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, only angle ಮಾತ್ರ 2 ದಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, not whole divided by 2. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, sin a is equal to 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2. Cos a is equal to cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. Again cos a is equal to one more formula, 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. Again one more formula, cos a is equal to 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. Then finally tan a is equal to 2 tan a by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square a by 2. These are the functions of sub multiple angle. Those are functions of multiple angle. Okay. Yes, students. So remember multiple and sub multiple angle formula. So sin of 2a is equal to, what is that? Remember 2 sin a into cos a. Cos of 2a is equal to 3 formula, namely cos square a minus sin square a, or 1 minus 2 sin square a, right? Or 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay, then tan 2a is equal to what? 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. These are the functions of multiple angle. Okay, so based on functions of multiple angle and sub multiple angle, to solve the problem, now here first problem, prove that problem number 1, sin 2a is equal to, one more formula, what is that? 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Observe ಮಾಡಿ, 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan 2a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? sin 2a. So that sin 2a two formula. First formula 2 sin a into cos a. One more formula 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Now let us take it. Now take a lectures. LHS form. Sin 2a. Sin 2a can be written as sin 2a divided by 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದಲ್ಲ, because sin 2a by 1 is nothing but sin 2a itself. Okay, now that is equal to sin 2a using the formula. What is that? 2 sin a into cos a, correct? Divided by 1 1 can be written as using trigonometric identity we write cos square a plus sin square a ಬರೆಯಬಹುದಲ್ಲ because cos square a plus sin square a is equal to what 1 ತಾನೆ ಓಕೆ ಈಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ RHS ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ 2 tan a divided by denominator of first term divided by denominator ಮೊದಲನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ 1 ಇದೆ ಈ 1 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ cos square a ಇದೆ ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ cos square a ಬೇಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬೇಕು so that what can you do eliminate cos square a how to eliminate divide numerator and denominator by ಯಾವ ಬೇಡ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೇಡ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು 1 ಬೇಕು ಇದು 1 ಆಗುತ್ತಾರೆ ಮಾಡೋದು cos square ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೇ ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಗೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಗೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a divided by cos square a whole divided by cos square a plus sin square a divided by cos square a correct divide numerator by cos square a denominator by cos square a numerator go ಮತ್ತು denominator go cos square ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ that is equal to 2 sin a cos a divided by cos square a whole divided by divide term by term divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cos square a divided by cos square a plus sin square a divided by cos square correct okay now simplify 1 cos a cancel ಆಗುತ್ತಾ here cos square a cancel ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ 2 sin a divided by cos a ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು tan a ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ divided by here cos square cancel 1 leave it power 2 sin a by cos a again tan a it's square tan square a that is equal to RHS so remember sin 2a is equal to 2 formula first formula is 2 sin a into cos a another formula 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a okay now similarly again you know that cos 2a is equal to 3 formula namely cos square a minus sin square a or 1 minus 2 sin square a or 2 cos square a minus 1 howda in addition to 3 one more formula what is that prove that problem number 2 prove that cos 2a is equal to one more formula what is that 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a totally 4 formula for cos 2a ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಏನು remember cos 2a is equal to 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a now I am very fast take LHS cos 2a similar to problem number 1 cos 2a can be written as 2a divided by 1 right because cos 2a divided by 1 is nothing but cos 2a okay now that is equal cos 2a is equal to 3 formula cos square a minus sin square a 1 minus 2 sin square a 2 cos square a minus 1 okay so among these three take first formula here cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a is it right divided by 1 can be written as using trigonometric identity cos square a plus sin square a ಬರೆಯಬಹುದಲ್ಲ okay comparing this with this ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಈ RHS ಮೊದಲನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ 1 ಇದೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನಿದೆ 1 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬರಬೇಕು ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ cos square a ಇದೆ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ cos square a ಬೇಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ 1 ಬರಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ divide by cos square a so that divide numerator and denominator by cos square a. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೂ cos square ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that is equal to cos square a divided by cos square a minus sin square a divided by cos square a. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ cos square ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ whole divided by again denominator ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ cos square a divided by cos square a plus sin square a divided by cos square a. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square a. Cos square a divided by cos square a minus sin square a divided by cos square a whole divided by cos square a divided by cos square a plus sin square a divided by cos square a. Simplify. Cos square a cancel. Here cos square a cancel. Here 1 minus sin a upon cos a formula ಏನು tan a its square tan square a divided by 1 plus again sin a by cos a tan a its square tan square a that is equal to RHS. So remember sin 2a is equal to 2 formula, namely 2 sin a into cos a. One more formula 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Whereas cos 2a is equal to 4 formula. Then what are those? Cos square a minus sin square a, or 1 minus 2 sin square a, or 2 cos square a minus 1, or 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Here, whereas tan 2a only one formula 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Nodri sin 2a ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ, cos 2a ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. By using those multiple angle and submultiple angle to solve simple problems next class. Okay, thank you.